Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will tell you the top 5 Windows tips and tricks you will need to know in 2025. First one is Unlock God Mode, the ultimate control panel. You just need to create a new folder and rename this folder with this command. Now this God Mode, the ultimate control panel, give you the access of 200 plus hidden settings in one place. Now, I'll move on to the next one. Clipboard history. Copy and paste like a pro. It will show us a history of all the items you have copied. You just have to open Settings and then go to System, scroll down and click Clipboard. Now enable Clipboard history. Save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. Press the Windows logo key plus V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. Now move on to next trick. Windows secret emoji panel. Just press Windows key plus. Period. It opens hidden emoji panel you can use in any chat, captions, etc. So next one is Run Rescue Monitor. It's better than Task Manager. Just press Windows key plus R and type command resmon. It opens an advanced version of Task Manager. Now last is battery usage report. Just open CMD and type this command. This creates a full battery detail like battery usage, heat charging cycle, etc. You will find this report in C Drive and then in Users. Then click on your username. You will find battery health report here. Hope you guys find this video helpful. See you in a next video. Have a nice day.